afternoon, students. We completed our first lesson, the fun they had. I hope you all understood that lesson well. Now the second part of that unit is the poem, The Road Not Taken. Today we are going to discuss about this poem, The Road Not Taken. Who is written this poem? Robert Frost. Who is the author of this poem? Robert Frost. You already learned about the other work of Robert Frost also. So, an introduction of Robert Frost. Introduction of author is that Robert Frost is an American poet, was born on March 26, 1874 in San Francisco, California. He was an American poet born in 1874 in California. Okay. So, Robert Frost is an American as intentionally non-American poet. His famous poem, The Road Not Taken, contains a deep hidden meaning. A traveler on yellow wood comes to a point which the road divides into two. He has to choose between the roads. Thus, the poem describes the problem of making the right choice. Right choice. Which road the traveler will choose. That is the main thing. This poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. The two roads are symbolic of the confusion created when we have to take a decision in life. Whether our decision is right or not can only be known when the road we choose comes to an end. This is a message. Means what? If suppose you all are very matured students, you already know that which is good or bad. If suppose this is the time for study, this is your time period of studies, and which one is the good way and bad way, you already know that, and you have to select. Otherwise, while we are selecting our roads, selecting our path, that is depend our future. Okay, that will make our future. But how we will find out that the future means that the road is right or not? According to the author is telling that whether our decision is right or not can be known when the road we choose comes to an end. So, before selecting our path, before selecting our choices, we would think lot and select it. Otherwise, we can't never come back on that way. Okay. So, let me start the reading. The Road Not Taken. This well-known poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common, ordinary experiences. Okay. So, two roads dive insightfully means very meaningfully, means foreseen. So, the roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wandered where, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages henceforth. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Okay. So,